Hi guys, this is Derek. Welcome to my channel. Follow me. Let's take a look at this rare articulated rough-terrain forklift. This forklift is 4-wheel drive. It can be used in construction site and field, farmland. It is rear steering, rear articulated, and this machine, the maximum length is 3.5 meters without forks. The enclosed cabinet is optional. The high tread tires are optional too. A super wide view mast is adopted. It is a great configuration. This mast can offer the driver a best view. For off-road purpose, it has high ground clearance, up to 28 centimeters. Two stage of mast can lift up to 4 meters. From the detail, we can see this mast is heavy duty. Forks made by forging technology with optional size. Hydraulic oil tank, and the other side is a fuel oil tank. It has a thick outer shell. There are 4 disc brakes installed on 4 wheels. High tread off-road tires is heavy duty. Also, you can select standard tires and non-inflatable rubber tires. The cast steel wheel side reduction axle has better load bearing capacity. The double-layer frame has undergone electrophoretic rust prevention treatment. LED lighting system. Counterweight for concrete and iron sand mixtures. Due to the use of high-quality accessories and a more sturdy frame, the self-weight of this machine reaches 5.3 tons. Famous brand 4-cylinder diesel engine. An enlarged radiator. A double-layer air filtration system. Adjustable seat and seat belt. Under the seat is the hydraulic torque converter. It is automatic transmission, automatic gearbox. The electric power switch for whole machine. LCD panel. My height is 1.8 meters. You can imagine your situation in this cabinet. Thank you for watching. I'm Derek. Please follow my account.